What's up everyone? This is LaShonda Renee with Dream Essentials. I wanted to come and bring you a quick video of a DIY that you can use that's cost efficient, that's something that will keep your hands clean. Everybody have been saying they don't have hand sanitizer, they don't have certain types of soap that they like to use because they don't want their skin to break out, or certain soaps itch them, things like that. So I wanted to show you guys what I do in my family in order for us to keep our hands clean. So we're going to do some travel size ones, and then we're going to do a full size one also. But the items that you're going to need is a measuring cup. You are going to need whatever you're going to put your items in. For me, I have foam bottles. So I have big ones and then I have little ones, okay? So we are going to need our measuring cup, and we're going to use our 1/4 cup measuring cup. And this is what we're going to mix our soap in. And the soap that we're going to use today is Dr. Bronners Castile soap. And this one is the tea tree extract. The reason why I'm using this one in particular is because it has been told that it has been known to fight off viruses like with the flu and pneumonia and just different things to, just keep that stuff down. We don't want to try to get anything like that. So we want to make sure that we're keeping our hands clean, that we're doing what we can with what we have, okay? So I went to the store the other day. I don't know about your Walmart, but my Walmart had lots of these soaps on sale, actually. So, and I use them all the time. I got different ones. They come in different scents. So you also have your lavender scent, and you have one that is no scent, okay? It's for babies. So if you have little babies and you need some soap or something like that that would help with them with body washing, and you don't want them to have a whole lot of like processed soaps and things like that, something that's natural and organic, you can use Dr. Bronners, okay? Because this is what I use in my household. I don't have any little babies, but my big kids with their nasty fingers, we make sure that they wash their hands. You hear them in the background like, yeah, nasty fingers. So we make sure they wash their hands with something good. But today we're going to use the tea tree. And the reason why, like I said, we're using that is because it's been known to help fight against certain viruses and bacterias and funguses and things like that. So we're going to go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry. One last thing. You're going to need distilled water. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill our measuring cup. You're going to need 1.5 cups. Well, let me just put it like this. For this recipe, I'm going to use 1.5 cups because I'm filling a lot of jars, okay? So, but if you are just using something just for your family and you want to fill it, maybe something this size right here, you can just do 1 cup of distilled water to 1/4 cup of soap, okay? The Castile soap, and you could do 1 cup of water. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour our water in, but I'm doing 1 1/4 cups of water. I'm sorry, 1.5 cups. I'm tripping. 1.5 cups of water, okay? And I am going to, as you can see, this is what I have right here. Hey, y'all. So we don't want no corona. That's why we're trying to keep this thing down. We're going to keep these hands clean, okay? Thank y'all for joining. I appreciate it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our Castile soap. And we're going to do 1/4 cup. Like I said, the regular measurement that I have is 1/4 cup of soap to 1 cup of distilled water, okay? So right now, because I have 1.5 cups, I'm doing 1/4 cup, and then I'm going to do another 1/8, okay? All right. So that is that. This is what it looks like right now. And the tea tree is already in there. You can smell it. It just smells delightful. Like, I don't know if y'all like tea tree or not, but I do. I love it. I use it for different reasons, especially like in my skincare, because it helps with acne and funguses and things like that. So you want to make sure that you are using products that can actually help. This is as a good of a sanitizer that you're going to get. And actually, sometimes before, I never really liked using hand sanitizers because I felt like my hands still wasn't clean. So you want to make sure that you are using something that actually makes you feel clean, that you know your hands are clean, and that you actually made it, so you know what's in it, okay? So y'all looking for alcohol and all of that stuff, you might not be able to find none, but if you can get your hands on some Castile soap, the tea tree kind, that will actually help to eliminate a lot of those germs that you're going to be coming in contact with. So this is what it looks like after I stir it up. You can't really tell. I just go ahead and fill my little bottles. And I promised myself I was not going to overflow these this time because I always end up overflowing them. I did it. I did good this time, y'all. See? There you go. So you have your own little pocket hand soap that's cost efficient, that you only paid about maybe $6 for a bottle of Castile soap that you can use in many different ways, body wash, face wash, whatever, okay? And we also have our big bottle, and this is the one that I use. I keep in the bathrooms and I keep in the kitchen. So this is a really good hand wash for you to keep around. This is mine that we have in the kitchen right now, so we have that. But this is what it looks like, guys. And I'm just going to do a real quick demo for you all so that you can see what it's like. And I'm just going to dampen my hands real quick. All right. Just real quick. I'm going to show you. That's what it comes out like. You want a foam bottle. It works really good with the other soap bottles. But if you have a foam bottle, you're not going to just run through your soap like that unnecessarily. But here you go. You got your hand soap, y'all. Look at that. You got a good lather. If you work somewhere where the soap just might not be that good and you ain't too sure about it, bring your own, make your own, share it with the people at your job, let them help you out, help somebody else out and show them what they could do in order to make sure that they are keeping their hands clean, because the more we keep our hands clean and the more we actually fight against a lot of these germs and viruses that's going around, different strands of the virus that's going around, that means that we stop the spread of it. So whatever you can do to do your part, okay, make sure you do that. So this recipe will actually make for me a full bottle of this and 3 other bottles. So I already have some filled up already, and you can see right here, this is what they look like, okay? So I'm going to be giving those out to some of the workers that are local. I'm going to be giving them out to some of the people who place orders, things like that, because I want, just as a gift, because I want people to be able to keep their hands clean. Make sure you're sanitizing. Make sure that you're using the proper things in order for you to keep viruses and all of that stuff away, okay? All right, so that's all I wanted to share with y'all. I wanted to make sure that I did a DIY for you guys so that you would have something to keep yourself protected, and that is it. So I am just going to finish filling these bottles, and I will see you all the next time I log on for our live video, and I pray that you all will stay safe and have a great day, okay? Bye.